Isang mapagpalang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Still, a Merry and a Blessed Christmas to all of you. And we welcome all of you to the Manila Cathedral as we celebrate today the feast of the Holy Family of Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. And in a very special way, I wish to greet all the families present this morning, all the families joining us via online streaming. Sa ating pong lahat, maligayang pista po ng Sagrada Familia. Palakpakan po natin ang Panginoon. If you're able to at least listen intently from today's gospel, the gospel about the finding of Jesus in the temple, I hope you were able to at least catch two places, prominent and special to the life of Jesus, Mary, and Joseph, and maybe for Jesus himself. For many times, the first place was always repeated, and that was, ano po? Kung nakinig nga po kayo, hindi po yung ngiting-ngitian nyo ako dyan. No? The place called, letter J, Jerusalem. For many times, it was said here because it was the custom of Joseph and Mary to go to Jerusalem for the feast of the Passover. It was in Jerusalem, the temple in Jerusalem, where they found Jesus, and for many times. And another place was also stated. The place called Nazareth. Nazareth, where for many of the scholars would call that place as the hometown of Jesus himself. Jerusalem will be the place of the mission of Jesus. There, Jesus would do, and even that was the place where Jesus did his mission. Maraming mga kwento sa ating banal na kasulatan kung saan sa lugar na yon, doon siya nagpagaling, doon siya nagturo, doon siya nagbigay ng kanyang sarili. And eventually, we must not forget that in Jerusalem, it was there where he was crucified, where he gave his life, where he rose from the dead. But we don't also forget the city where he came from, his hometown, Nazareth. Kaya nga Jesus Nazareno, the place where he intended to be there and to be a child or a son to Mary and Joseph, where he experienced how it is to live in a family, how it is to live in a community, how it is to find or to see someone or somebody else as a support in his ministry. Dalawang importanteng lugar para sa buhay ni Jesus. But you know, my dear brothers and sisters, I do believe that as a good parent, Mary and Joseph would not only stay in Nazareth, but for many times, Joseph may have missed a lot of the events of Christ, having experienced death in his early years of Jesus' ministry. Pero, totoo na habang si Jesus ay nagpapagaling, nagtuturo, nagbibigay ng kanyang sarili, nagbubuhay ng mga patay, kasama ang mga tao, naroroon si Maria. Naroroon ang espiritu ng kanyang ama na si Jose, na patuloy siyang sinusuportahan, binibigyan ng inspirasyon, binibigyan ng buhay sa kanyang pagmiministeryo at sa kanyang buhay. And you know, my dear brothers and sisters, it is a very good lesson to all of us that we will all face or go our different mission places. to the places where we call Jerusalem. Jerusalem may be your family. Jerusalem may be your school. Jerusalem may be your work. Jerusalem may be those people beside you now where you can express your mission. But in every mission, it is important that a home is there to support. Nazareth is there to support every experience of Jerusalem. That whatever we do, wherever we go, a home is there to support us and to love us. I do have and did went to many Jerusalems in life. As a priest, the minor seminary where I had my first months as a priest was my Jerusalem. The Manila Cathedral is my Jerusalem now, where I embrace my mission. The only parish community at San Felipe Neri when I was still a deacon was also my Jerusalem. My MA studies in San Beda is my Jerusalem. My other appointments in the Archdiocese is also my Jerusalem. And to the many communities that I've been, those were my Jerusalem. And you know what kept me going? What inspires me up until now to embrace the many Jerusalems of my life, where I have to embrace my purpose, my mission, is my experience of Nazareth, where there's mommy and daddy, my brother, my many family relatives to support me and even love me. Tiyak po ako na habang nag-online mass tayo dito, nanonood yung tatlong yan sa akin ngayon. Kinukwento ko nga po, kahit po nung batang seminarista pa po ako, sometimes I will be asked to talk to altar servers, to youth members, and I will be surprised. Nagdoon ang magulang ko at nanonood sa akin. Hindi ko sasabihin saan ako pupunta, pero mahuhuli. Nagdoon sila para panoorin at suportahan ako. And my dear brothers and sisters, every day, the story of our Jerusalem will continue to unfold. We will be facing and we must be doing and we will be doing our mission in life. As I've said, Jerusalem has many faces now. Your family is your Jerusalem. Your work is your Jerusalem. Your relationship is your Jerusalem. Your own status is your own Jerusalem. But let us also foster the experience of Nazareth in every Jerusalem. Baka po ng panghihinaan ng loob ang mga kabataan dahil wala na silang nahahanap na Nazaret sa kanilang mga pamilya. Baka laging discouraged ang mga tao dahil sa dami ng mga Jerusalem sa kanilang buhay, wala na silang mahanap na Nazaret na patuloy na magpapalakas ng kanilang loob. And I wish to express this to parents, to the elderly present now. Baka po nakakalimutan na natin yung Nazaret sa buhay natin. And please, do express and extend the blessing of a home to each and every one of your family. Every day we face Jerusalem, but every day we also need a Nazareth to take care of us, to comfort us, and to encourage us. My beloved brothers and sisters, whatever we do, wherever we go, we need a home to love and support us. At every experience of Jerusalem, where we have to embrace many missions, heavy responsibilities, numbers of duties. May there be many Nazareths, where a Nazareth is a home, where Nazareth is a place where we are inspired, a Nazareth where there is good support, good words, good love to inspire young ones, and a Nazareth where we can find a place where God is present in every family, loving and supporting each other.